Choosing the right windows for your home is about more than aesthetics. It's about ensuring they perform well under your local weather conditions. In Little Rock, homeowners face a mix of warm, humid summers, chilly winters, and occasional storms. These diverse weather patterns make it essential to select windows designed to withstand the region's challenges while enhancing comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. Here's how Little Rock's weather conditions influence your window choices and what to consider when upgrading or installing new windows. Dealing with Little Rock's hot, humid summers in Little Rock are characterized by high temperatures and humidity, making energy efficiency a top priority. The right windows can help keep your home cool and reduce energy bills during these warmer months. Key features for hot weather. Low E glass reflects heat and UV rays, preventing your home from overheating while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple glazing insulates against heat transfer, keeping cool air inside and hot air out. Tight seals and weatherproofing prevent air leaks, ensuring your air conditioning system doesn't have to work overtime. Windows with these features help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reduce humidity, and minimize cooling costs during Little Rock's hot summers. Insulating against chilly winters. While Little Rock winters are generally mild, the temperature can dip, making proper insulation important to maintain warmth and comfort. Cold weather considerations. Insulating frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and wood provide better insulation than aluminum, keeping your home warmer during colder months. Gas-filled panes. Argon or krypton gas between double or triple panes reduces heat loss. Thermal breaks. Frames with built-in barriers minimize heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures consistent. Investing in well-insulated windows ensures that your home remains cozy in the winter while reducing heating costs. Preparing for storms and high winds. Little Rock is no stranger to severe weather, including heavy rains and strong winds. Durable, impact-resistant windows are crucial for protecting your home and family during these events. Storm-ready features. Impact-resistant glass, designed to withstand flying debris and reduce the risk of shattering during storms. Reinforced frames. Strengthens the overall window structure, making it more resistant to wind and pressure. Secure locks and fastenings. Keep windows tightly sealed, preventing water and air infiltration. These storm-resistant features not only protect your home but also provide peace of mind during severe weather events. Managing Little Rock's humidity. Humidity is a year-round consideration in Little Rock, leading to potential issues like condensation, mold, and warped window frames. Choosing materials and designs that handle moisture well is critical. Humidity-resistant options. Vinyl and fiberglass frames. These materials resist warping, rotting, and swelling, even in high humidity. Proper ventilation. Windows that open easily, such as casement or double-hung styles, allow for better airflow and humidity control. Condensation-resistant glass. Reduces moisture buildup on the inside of the glass, minimizing the risk of mold and mildew. Humidity-resistant windows protect your home's integrity and ensure long-term performance in Little Rock's climate. Enhancing energy efficiency year-round. Energy efficiency is essential in Little Rock, where seasonal weather changes can lead to fluctuating energy demands. Modern windows offer year-round benefits by reducing heat transfer and improving insulation. Energy-efficient features. Low U factor and SHGC ratings indicates how well the windows insulate and block solar heat. Multi-pane designs provide better thermal performance compared to single-pane windows. Weatherproof seals keep outdoor air from entering your home, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows save money on heating and cooling while keeping your home comfortable no matter the season. Considering aesthetic and practical needs beyond functionality, your windows should also enhance your home's curb appeal and fit your lifestyle. Little Rock's diverse architectural styles allow for a range of window designs that complement both traditional and modern homes. Popular styles for Little Rock: double-hung windows, versatile and classic, they suit a variety of home designs. Casement windows provide excellent ventilation and a sleek, modern look. Bay and bow windows add elegance and create a focal point, perfect for Little Rock's scenic views. Customizing your windows ensures they match your home's style while meeting the demands of the local climate. Partnering with a professional. Selecting the right windows for Little Rock's weather requires expert guidance. A professional window installer can assess your home's specific needs and recommend options that balance aesthetics, functionality, and durability. Benefits of professional help: accurate measurements and customized solutions. Knowledge of energy efficiency ratings and local building codes. Seamless installation for optimal performance and longevity. Working with a trusted professional ensures your new windows deliver maximum value and performance. Final thoughts. Little Rock's weather conditions play a significant role in determining the best window options for your home. From energy efficiency to storm protection, selecting windows tailored to the local climate ensures comfort, safety, and long-term savings. By partnering with a reliable window professional, you can explore options that enhance your home's performance and curb appeal while standing up to Little Rock's unique weather challenges. With the right windows, your home will be prepared for anything nature throws its way.